Okay, yeah, we're back. So this is day 2 of coding Easy Write, that's just the working name I'm using for it today, or at least for now. I'm calling it Easy Write. Um, so yeah, this is day 2 of coding it. So today my plan is I want to do the PNG files for sure. We need that for the Chrome store to get it on the Chrome store. So that'll be step 1. And then I also want to work on the request. So I'm making sure that I'm sending in like the right email request, because right now if you spin up the node server, it asks for like dogs or some other like, let me explain what I'm saying. Basically right now, like if you run the node server for the request, it basically asks for I don't know, whatever preset request that's in there. So yeah, yeah, and the other thing I wanted to explain today too is like a better explanation of like what I'm actually making here, just because I feel like it might not have been like super clear in the last stream. Okay, so yeah, I'll start with that. So this is Gmail, obviously. Let me move myself. This is Gmail, and this is where you go when you compose an email, right? Obviously, like you go like you hit compose email, and so the idea is underneath the subject line, I'm gonna add another input field, and that's where you go to like interface with Easy Write. So the idea is like you go to sign in, you sign into Gmail, whatever. You go to like send your email, and then you just type out like write Susan an email, letting her know that I will be available to meet Wednesday, and then Easy Write sends a request to the GPT-3 API, and then that AI will basically like write out the whole email for you, and then just paste it right into like the place where you go to like compose. Oh, what's up, Matthew? Dude, I've been seeing you grinding out the shorts, bro. Good work. That's hype. But yeah. So basically, like what the idea is that like it sends the it sends the GPT-3 API request, and then the API sends back a fully written email, and then that'll just paste right into your Gmail. So you won't have to go to like GPT or ChatGPT and like go back and forth. You'll just have the AI writing all your emails for you, which is nice because that's kind of how I use ChatGPT right now, anyways. So what is this you're working? So what is this we're looking at? Okay, so this is just like Gmail right here, and so the idea is like I want to add ChatGPT to Gmail. So I'm gonna make it so you have underneath the subject line another line of input, and you just tell the AI what you want the email to be, and then the email will just paste directly into Gmail. So it'll be pretty cool. Yeah. All right. So let's see, where were we at yesterday? Explain what user I will do. Okay. So today I'm gonna start by adding the PNG files, because like I said, the Chrome web store makes you add a bunch of images. So we need to get a 16 by 16. What language is ChatGPT programmed in? I don't know. Let's look it up. I don't know if it's like programmed the same way like code is. How chat coded in? Oh, okay. Looks like they use Python. That's cool. Developed by OpenAI. Yeah, that makes sense. Let me see if. Let's see. ChatGPT trained on including man pages and information about internet phenomena, programming language, discipline reports, and Python programming language. Don't you have to use that language to use it in apps? I haven't programmed in like a decade. I forgot a lot of stuff. No, so you don't have to use like their language, but you do have to use the language of a web request. So their API, which is basically like how you interface with ChatGPT, is written in HTTPS, which is like the same as a web browser. And so that's like the agreed upon way that apps talk to each other and send information back and forth. And so you just have to write your requests in HTTPS. That makes sense. But also I could be wrong because like I've only been coding for 2 years, so I barely know what I'm doing. I know how to like code it, but I don't fully understand it, if that makes sense. But all right. So yeah, so I basically have to come up with, right, really quick, I got to come up with a 16 by 16 PNG, a 32 by 32 PNG, and a 48, and then a 128. So I think for the last one, I just use, gotcha, you're a pro, bro, way better than me. I mean, I don't know. I appreciate that. I'm gonna look and see what I used in the last one. Gmail bot. So yeah, like for the cannot be displayed, it's either in binary or what the heck. So yeah, this is what I use for the like the first Chrome extension that I built. I literally just take a screenshot of the letter R, but for this one I want to try to make it like a little nicer for easy write. So I'm gonna try to use, there's basically like an AI that will just draw for me. It's called Crayon or something. I've been using it for like other projects and stuff. So I'm gonna try to just have it like, I want the logo to be like a pen and paper. So I'm just gonna see if it can do that. And then once we get the image from there, I'll just screenshot it and then we'll resize it 4 times, throw it in the folder, and that's like pretty much all we got to do for that. So image resize. I wonder if there's a good way to like resize images from the command line, because that'd be kind of nice. Let's see if this works. All right, we'll use something like this. Crayon's still loading. Select image. I'm just gonna do like a test image. This works. I'm gonna see like what it looks like to resize it. So if we don't lock the aspect ratio, yeah, I think this is what I used last time. So 16 by 16. Hit resize. Cool. Okay, yeah, so we'll use this whatever image resizer.com. This will work good. Cool. So now we got some logos back for easy write. These are pretty bad, but I mean, yeah, it beats it low-key beats like going out and trying to like draw it myself. So I'm just gonna download this. Pen and paper logo. Yeah, this works. Open it up. I'm gonna screenshot it and like resize it a little better. Something I noticed about like if you generate images from Crayon AI, like the weird thing is like a lot of the images ends up with like this weird cutoff thing at the top. Cause I was trying to make some mock-ups with it. I don't know, maybe there's a cooler one I could use instead. Maybe this one's cooler. We could also try Midjourney. Let's see if that works. All right, I'm gonna generate some images from Midjourney, and then if they're not as good, then yeah, if they're not as good, then I'll just use the one that I just made. I should have already been in the Discord, but it's all good. So I think you just one server is unavailable. Okay, Midjourney. I forgot how you make these dude. My stream goes down because of some these are not, this is for the record guys, this is not my Discord, but okay. To create images, newbie type /imagine. Okay. Let's try it. So /imagine, and then we'll say pen paper. I'm here, bro. You not talking to yourself, just grabbing lunch. Okay, cool. Yeah, I was just gonna like, I typically just like talk through the whole stream too, just so like if people rewatch it, they'll have like a better sense of like what's going on screen, because otherwise it could be confusing. So yeah. All right, so pen paper logo. All right. So yeah, we'll get this image from the AI and then we'll just use that. Hopefully it's better than the other one that I generated, because that one was kind of mid. I don't know if I'm supposed to like wait for it. I forgot how this works. Let's see. That's a clean image. Someone got like bread. Yeah, dude. Midjourney is way better than Crayon, I think. Like these are pretty high quality images. These are pretty tough. A farmer in cartoon style. Yeah, that's tough. I don't know if my request worked. Oh, here we go. I mean, these are kind of like fantasy style. They're not like, where'd it go? Shoot, where did my, whoa. I don't know where the image went. I'm just gonna scroll down. Okay. So here are the images that I generated. They say pen, paper. Okay. Yeah, these are too fantasy. I'm just gonna use the crayon one. And I think I'm gonna use this one actually, because it's cooler. Let's call it easy, right? Or just, let's see. Maybe this one's better. Yeah, let's use this one actually. Save it. And then I also I think I wanna add the word like easy on it, just so it's like a little more like branded. So I'll just make another, whatchamacallit, I'll just add the word easy like right over it. It should be pretty easy. Okay. Get the text. Where's add text? Okay, so easy. I really don't think like it's worth spending like too much time on this type of thing, but it is nice to make like have like a little slightly nicer. I like Arial too. It's my favorite font. And then let's just make this bigger. Easy. Okay. Looks good to me. Max quality. And then download it. Let's call it logo. Yeah, that works. Just call it logo. Alright, so now basically what, like I said, we gotta, since their web store is making us have like a whole bunch of different icons, I'm just gonna download directly into the folder, into the Gmail bot folder, as icon 16, 13, or 32, 48, 128. And so those will just be like the logos, and that's what, like I said, is gonna show up in the actual like Chrome store. So let's resize this quick. Alright. There it is. Grab that. 16. Cool. Hit resize image. Then download it. .png. Oh yeah, we don't want to call it logo. We want to call it like the same name here already, so we can save a little bit of time renaming. Okay. So icon 16. So yeah, then just save that to Gmailbot, and then use PNG. What the heck? It's saved as .png. That's weird. I'm gonna fix that after. I'm gonna download them all and then fix them all at the same time. So then let's see. Re-edit this image. Then we have to do 32. not fixed. As you scale your image. All right, peace out, Mashi. It's like as you scale your image up, you get lower and lower quality, or more stretched out. I don't know why though. Let's hit resize. Re-edit this image. No, download. And then icon. 32. Sweet. Use .png. And then 2 more times. Let's see. Where are my comments? HTML? Okay. So then 48 actually. Oops. Alright, 48. Hit resize. Download image. What the heck? I think it's just icon 48. Yeah, .png. Oops. Our last one is 128. Shoot, why did I click resize another image? Okay, whatever. And then 128. Bet. Dude, I'm hyped. This bot's gonna be cool. This is gonna be cool. Okay, 128. Use .png. Okay, so now we got all of our icons actually saved, and they're all the right size. Wait, bro, I left a little black at the top. Whatever, we're just gonna roll with it. So let's see what we get. Looks like only the first one saved wrong. Cool. Okay. So now we got all of our icons. So check this out. Here is Easy Write. I was like, oh, I forgot you can't see the extension. Okay, so here is Easy Write. Can you see that? No. All right, bet, yeah. So here's Easy Write, or at least in its current form. The button doesn't work anymore. I don't know why. The Gmail link works. But if we go to the extension manager and then refresh it, this logo right here basically should change. Okay. I don't know why it didn't change. I'm gonna try to delete it from the web store and then reload it. See, load unpacked. See if that works. Dang, it still didn't work. I wonder why. Details, uses the AI to see us responses, save time and hassle. Maybe I know why it didn't work. Okay, so in the index.html, I left it as a comment. I forgot I'm actually supposed to move this into the manifest.json file. So we can just put it right here. I think this is where it probably goes. I'm gonna check quick though, look at the other one and see where it is in the manifest.json. The order probably doesn't matter, but but I'd rather be safe than sorry or whatever. So icons and then action. So cool. So we just delete these comments. Delete that. Hit reload. Still didn't work. Gmail bot. Should be version 1. I'm gonna remove it again and add it again, see if that works. Hit load unpacked. Yup. Nah, still didn't work. Icon.png, icon.png. That's interesting. I'm gonna try to load in rapid tags as an unpacked one and see if see if the PNG like works correctly for an unloaded one, because it could just because it's not loaded, but I don't know. I don't remember where I put rapid tags though on my computer. Okay. So I loaded it as an unpacked. I think it's this one, or maybe it's this one. I don't see now. I don't know. Well, I guess I can assume it's the one with the refresh mark, because I couldn't refresh a packed, or one, I mean like an extension that I got from the Chrome store. So rapid tags, comma separator, comma tags. I'll paste them, but with. See, what is this little like orange? Oh, you can't see it. What does this little like orange icon mean? I'm guessing it means like packed or unpacked extension, but I don't know. Copy tags from rapid tags. I'll paste them, but with. Huh. Let's see. Manifest version. Let's change the manifest version to 1. Where else could I need to load it? I don't know. Icon 1632. All right, Stack Overflow time. Okay, why does my extension icon? Yeah, this is right. The 48 by 48, which is, if you provide this icon of a different size, should have been used, it will be ignored. Since the icon displays the management 40 by 48 will be displayed. I can check where I actually saved the images to. Maybe I saved them to the wrong folder. No, it looks good. I'm also not getting a name error. So I guess that means I probably resized the images wrong. And that's why Chrome might be ignoring it. Is there a way to get image size from command line? So you can use file. Okay, let's try it. File, icon 32. So it is 32 by 32. Let's try the 48 one. Wait, that was wrong. That one's also right. Huh. Alright, back to Stack Overflow. Remove eye contact attribute from page action and put it at the root level. Is it not at the root level? Let's check. see, authors. No, I think it's right. I'm gonna try to break it and see if that works. Rename it. Now we should get at least like an error. See, yeah, okay. Invalid value for manifest version. Must be either 2 or 3. See developer. Okay. I didn't know that. Let's call it manifest version 2. Okay. So this is good. Could not load icon 32 PNG. Specific icons could not load manifest. Okay. That's what we thought. That's what like I expected to happen is it would break. I just don't get why like the logo itself is not showing up. Okay. Host permission. Action requires manifest version of 3. Okay. I don't know what a manifest version is then. I guess it would be like the Chrome Web Store version. So like as they update the Chrome Web Store, they add more requirements, but maybe they don't like back request. Like if you have like a version 1, if you have like a version 1 manifest, you can basically just leave it as it is. Maybe? I don't know. That's just my guess. Let's try to reload it. Seems like it's working. Someone said close the they just close the extensions tab. Nope. Restarting the browser did? Alright, we're gonna quit Chrome. Shoot, I accidentally quit. Oh no, fucking Streamlabs accidentally quit. I thought I quit Streamlabs. Bro, LOL, I thought I quit Streamlabs. I was so mad. Alright. Someone clip that. That's funny. Bro, I did that once on like a 12-hour stream. I was trying to do like like back when I was doing like the study streams, like 2 days ago. I was trying to do like a 12-hour study stream, and like in the middle of it, it just quit. So like on my channel, you can see like a part 1 and a part 2 of like it's called like my first 10-hour stream because I just accidentally quit Streamlabs. Still didn't work. Dude, this question was asked 10 years ago. That's crazy. And refreshing it didn't help. Restarting my browser did not make a difference. Chrome 31. I looked at the manifest API thing and I found related that was includes icon did not work. Okay, so it looks like icons might have to come after name, possibly. Possibly. Let's try it. Let's see if that works. I don't think it comes after name on the other one, but yeah, cuz I have icons after author, but it's worth a shot. Yeah, it didn't work. I could try to make an images folder and then move them to the images folder, but let me just read this quick. So it looks like you have to remove the extension, exit Chrome, then install it for the icons to reappear. Let's try that. Someone's also saying Control F5. I don't. Okay, let's try that. We're gonna remove it. Let's also remove the old comma separator. I don't need them both. So extensions. Oh, okay. Close the extensions page and then reopen the extensions page. So Chrome. Then hit load unpacked. Gmail bot. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with it, guys. I don't know. Be sure you have an interchange icons and a default icon. I spent over 10 minutes debugging the same error. So it should be action with default icon within it. Comma icons. I feel like that's maybe they're not PNGs. They're not. Look, JPEG image. No shot. They're JPEGs. Okay, that means I need to go convert them to PNG. So let's do PNG to JPEG. And then I'm also going to rename each of these to, I'm just going to add a 1 after each of that, just so when I download them into the folder as PNG, I won't get like confused by the name. Okay, so I added a 1 after all of them. So PNG to JPEG. Oh, we need the opposite. JPEG to PNG. Cloud Convert is so nice. I wonder how much they like. I actually genuinely wonder like, how much do you make if you run a website like Cloud Convert? I'm gonna find out. How do file sharing sites make money? No. It's a freemium model. Some advertising. Okay, let's see how much they make per month. No, that's pricing. Oh. Okay, I get it. So basically Cloud Convert has an API and they just sell They just sell API requests. So in other words, if you were like, let's say like you work at a big company and for some reason you need to have like a quick like convert, like like as part of your application, but you don't have like the time or maybe the team to build it out manually. This is my guess, by the way. I don't know if this is facts, but then you would just use Cloud Convert's service. That's my. And so they make money from their API. Bro, I've always wanted to build an API, but I just don't know what it would be. I don't have like a big data set to sell. Easy rate. Common Discord mod. Okay, let's get back to this. So, select file. Let's go to the Gmail bot. Open up all our files, and we're going to convert them all to PNGs. Hit download. And we'll just call it icon 16. Okay. So I manually converted all the images to PNGs. Hopefully this works. Let's reload it. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, now I just gotta delete all the old icons. And that's gonna take a second. I'm gonna see if I can do it like this. See, this is why I do everything from the terminal. Like, if I try to do stuff from, like, VS Code here, my computer just gets so slow. So, like, the only way to do stuff is from the terminal. The good thing is, though, it made me way better at, like, interfacing with the computer this way, but it's still kind of like, dang. Fail to delete, just delete permanently. That should be it. Yeah, that's all 4 of them. Icon 128, 16. That's hype. And then it should also show up like the right way up here now. Yeah. Cool, so now we got our logo. That was easy. Dude, I can't believe like companies actually spend like hundreds, even like thousands of dollars trying to come up with these logos. But like you can do it in like 2 seconds. It's not gonna look great, but still. Okay, instructions, go to gmail.com, use the number now, Camille's yes to emails. I probably gotta update. I should probably work on updating the copy. Like the copywriting for the extension, and it's not great. Like these instructions aren't super helpful. Okay. Okay. Alright, next thing to do. Okay, sweet. So yeah, now we should do something cool. So now I'm gonna try to basically update the request. So my app needs to make a request to GPT-3 API, but like if I run the actual server, it's kind of cringe what they actually have set like as like the default request. So I need to fix that. And then yeah, after I fix that, then like literally like tomorrow I'll be putting it in the EC2 database, and then probably by like Friday, like the whole thing will just be done, hopefully. So if I go to quick start, check the package.json. So it's next dev. So npm next dev should work. Nope. If I just do next dev, I forgot the command to run it, so let's just go to API. Okay. Where's quick start? Why would you delete a file? npm run dev. I thought I did that. It might be that I need to actually go into into the quick start. Something like that. Okay. That works. What the heck is this browser list stuff? Sweet. So yeah, like I said, this is basically their quick start, their website that runs on your own computer, on your own, I don't know if it's an IP or whatever it is, localhost 3000, but so yeah, from here, this is gonna make a request all the way to OpenAI. So call it Dag. Get some names. Is it not working? 500 error. Did I end with did I have an error when I ended yesterday? I thought I got it to work. Bruh. I thought I got it to work. Okay. Wait, why? I think a 500 error means that there's an error on the node server. Or the code is, or no other code is suitable. Failed to load resource server. I'm just gonna try looking it up. If the server database goes down, I mean, it is possible. ChatGPT does go down every now and then from too many people. I'll see if ChatGPT is up. I don't think they use the same API though, so. Plus, wouldn't they have priority? I don't know. Let's see. Error request failed with 401. There's a Twitter developer forum? What the heck? Bro, who's on here? Alright, time to read the quick start guide. And let's see. So this is Next.js. I've never used Next.js before. That's cool. I think it's Next.js. Let's see, pages, API, generate.js. So here's like the actual like request. The incredible feline. Is it possible I can only ask for dog and cat? That would be weird, but is that actually like what it is, or that would be so random. No, it's not. Unexpected token in JSON. Oh, that's because it's like returning the string thing. Okay, I kind of remember this. I wonder if I can see like the actual like request info. So if you're not like a into like web development, just to kind of like explain like what's going on here. So this is like the Chrome Dev Tools, and this kind of like helps you when you're trying to figure out how like the two like websites are gonna talk to each other. And in this dev tool, like, or at least in these tools, kind of gives you some errors, but yeah, I don't know. Failed to load resource. Bro, this is like the true part about coding is like half the time you're just so confused because it's so complicated, but unexpected token doc type is not valid JSON. That's like a HTML thing. Like, I don't know why that would be. Okay, let's try that. Yeah, dude, that's literally what the error says. Is the request rejecting, or is it handling the response failing? I don't know. I don't want to mess with like the quick start code too much because I think it's supposed to just work out of the box. Oh, I think yesterday the idea was I was gonna delete the quick start code and then try it again. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna do that quick. Maybe. See, JSON.stringify. Maybe we just want to do const response equals set result equals data.result set animal input. I kind of see what's going on here. I'm going to try to mess with this a little bit, and I'm going to see if I can make it so it just returns. If it just returns animal input. On submit. So send the request to generate. Content type application.json. Another idea too is to just, cause I don't really need all the quick start code. Another, like, I'm not running and there is no Next.js front end when I'm done building this app. Another possibility is to literally just take like the request and just go and just make the Amazon EC2 server and then just like, yeah, skip all of that. and just build it out like directly. I'm gonna see if Chrome extensions can make API requests. I don't want to. I'm getting tired, but I don't want to end the stream on an L. So let's see. Write a very basic UI, blah blah blah. Use Axios, blah blah blah. Send the requests, blah blah. I mean, okay. I could just go make a Lambda really quick on AWS instead of the whole node instance if I don't need to make the whole node server. I don't know. I think I'm gonna call the stream here because I need to finish reading this documentation. So once I have this read tomorrow, I will either be making a Lambda or an EC2. What's it called? Let's just check AWS. Sign in. Is it EC2? Yeah, okay. So I'll either be making a Lambda tomorrow. They'll be making a Lambda or an EC2 because, you know, I could try to fix the quick start code, but we don't actually. I'm not going to be using like a Next.js front end for my Chrome extension. So the easiest way to do this is probably just to make the Lambda or make the EC2, and then, yeah, just see if that can directly call the API. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.